Can you believe that with a single $900 investment, you could receive over $4,000 monthly? Imagine a lifetime of passive income while the world sleeps, all starting from one small, smart decision today. While banks let inflation quietly devour your savings, there is a secret strategy that works for the average person. Keeping money in a traditional savings account is a slow leak in your financial bucket that costs you thousands.
I am done watching my hard-earned cash lose value. It is time to find a better way to grow.
This snowball formula will completely change your financial future. You do not need to be a millionaire to start.
By using fractional shares, I can diversify my tiny initial investment just like a big shot Wall Street professional.
We are splitting $18 per share into 5 powerhouse stocks that thrive even during global financial crises. Our first filter ensures a steady yield between 2 and 5%, providing immediate and reliable cash flow. Consistency is key. We only choose companies that have a proven track record of growing their dividends every year. We also want the stock price itself to rise, giving us double gains through both dividends and capital appreciation. We focus on essential sectors like utilities, agriculture, and storage. These are things people need no matter the economy. These stocks survived the major crashes of the past 2 decades. They are built for resilience and long-term durability.
First up is SCHD, a dividend ETF that holds the cream of the crop in the American market.
It is the ultimate foundation for any portfolio, offering massive diversification with just one single ticker symbol. Next is AGM, or Farmer Mac. They provide the vital financing that keeps the American agricultural industry growing. AGM is a hidden gem with incredible growth rates. It turns the simple act of farming into major profits.
Tractor Supply, ticker TSCO, is a retail powerhouse that dominates the rural and suburban lifestyle markets.
People never stop caring for their land and animals. This creates a recession-proof demand for everything TSCO sells. NXST is the king of local television. They own the stations you watch every single day for news.
Local advertising and retransmission fees generate massive cash flow that NXST hands right back to its loyal shareholders.
Finally, we have Cube. In a world full of stuff, people always need a clean, safe place to store it. Real estate storage is a high-margin business. Cube pays out a large portion of its rent as dividends. CRIP takes every penny of dividend income and automatically uses it to buy more shares of the stock. You are not just holding shares, you are building an army of mini investors that work for you day and night. If I leave my $900 alone and let DRIP do the heavy lifting for 30 years, first decade feels slow. But then, the power of compounding takes over, and the growth becomes exponential. Year 20 hits, and your small seed has turned into a massive forest of capital that pays you dividends. By year 30, that $900 has transformed into a staggering $331,000. And the best part? I am now receiving $4,400 every single month without lifting a finger. This is the dream. Your money is now working harder than you ever could at any 9-to-5 job. Stop letting your bank win. Take control of your future with dividend stocks and the power of compounding. Write these down: SCHD, AGM, TSCO, NXST, and CUBE. These are your 5 keys to long-term wealth. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Start today.
Think of your $900 as a seed. Without soil and water, it will simply wither away. Reinvestment is the water that keeps your financial garden growing, even during the driest economic seasons.
I used to work for money. Now I am making my money work for me. That is freedom. Each of these companies is a leader in its field, ensuring your risk is spread across diverse markets. The beauty of dividend growth is that your income rises without you having to ask for a raise.
Every quarter, I see more shares added to my account. It is like getting a bonus for doing nothing.
SCHD gives you exposure to reliable giants like Pepsi and Home Depot, all bundled into one powerful fund. AGM is essentially the bank for the American farmer. Food production never goes out of style. The milestones are clear: age 40, 50, and 62. Yet, as these charts show, many face a significant. Nexstar's control over local media gives them a massive advantage in every political and advertising season.
Storage facilities are low maintenance and high profit.
Cube is a master of this lucrative industry.
The difference between a comfortable retirement and struggling is starting your compound engine as early as possible. Once that snowball gains momentum, nothing can stop it. Your financial security becomes an absolute certainty.
Imagine the peace of mind knowing your monthly bills are covered by your investments forever.
That income is yours for life. You never have to touch the initial $300,000. You are not just saving for yourself. You are creating a legacy that can last for generations. Financial literacy is the greatest gift you can give. It starts with one small, intentional step. It takes patience, discipline, and a clear vision. But the reward at the end is beyond measure. With $900, you can buy pieces of these 5 companies and start your engine now. Small choices today lead to massive results tomorrow. Which path will you choose for your future?
The numbers don't lie. $900 to $4,000 monthly. It is entirely possible for you.
SCHD, AGM, TSCO, NXST, Cube. Your roadmap to freedom is right here in front of you. The world of compounding is waiting. Join the thousands who are already building their dividend legacies today.